Hi, Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Today we are talking about motions, order to show causes, and request for orders. Essentially, that name is just a duplicative word of the same thing: motions, order to show cause, and request for order. The reason I'm using all three of those is because they have changed the name from order to show cause to request for order recently. It's the same application, they just changed it a little bit, so I wanted to make that clear. But what we're talking about today is due dates. So when you file a motion, an order to show cause, or a request for order, there are specific due dates you have to comply with in order to serve that, and we're going to talk about that right now. So let's assume you are filing a motion for temporary orders for child support, spouse support. It doesn't matter. You're in the divorce case and you're going to file a motion to get a court date for the court to do something. You're going to ask the court to do something. So what are the due dates? So the first thing you're going to do is file the motion. You're going to go down to court, get a court date, and then you're going to have your filed documents from the court. The next thing you need to do is serve that on the other party. You need to serve that on the other party to let them know, hey, you need to show up for this hearing because I'm going to go to court and ask the judge to make some orders. So what are the due dates on this? If you have just filed a motion, what you have to do is look at the court date. To file a motion, you have to serve that motion that you file with the court 16 court days prior to the hearing. So what you need to do is you need to look at the court date, then look at a calendar and count back 16 court days, not calendar days, court days. And now remember, these are court days, so you need to make sure you check the court website for any holidays. You don't want to serve this late. The other party can object or do some other things if you don't serve this in a timely fashion. So look at your court date, count back 16 court days, and watch out for holidays. Now, that's the day that form, or that motion rather, has to be personally served. That means you have to have someone other than yourself personally deliver it, hand deliver it to that person if you want that to count. Now, the other way you can do that is if it's not post-judgment. Post-judgment motions have to be served personally. But if you have a motion that's during a divorce case, you can simply mail it to them. So what you need to do is do the 16 court days and add 5 calendar days to mail, and that would be a good mail service. The next due date you need to be concerned yourself is if you're filing a response. The response due dates are, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cover that in another video. Look, that is something I'm going to cover, the responsive due dates, in another video. So make sure if you are responding, check for another video, Google our channel for response dates for motions for divorce cases in California. This is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. You can get more information off our website at Divorce661.com or reach me direct at 661-281-0266. Thanks for watching.